And yesterday we expected some buying in crude, having this 5420 and 5400 as a major support zone for crude oil, and we expected some resistance around 5460, and if the price is staying above 5460, we expected the price to reach 5520. So let us see what happened yesterday. After the price opened around this zone, you can see the market went and tested this 5460. It provided a resistance around 5460, and the market just reversed its view, but it didn't came and tested. It was not trading below the opening. You can see in the earlier session from the opening, and this is the point where the market has created, but the market didn't came and test below the opening. But after that, the market came down and took the support with the moving average. This is the short-term moving average which we are following, and market took the support with the moving average, and it again went and tested this 5460, and it was quite successful in breaking this 5460, and it reached around 5470. Why we are saying this 5460 is quite important is that if you see our Monday presentation and showing a long-term view about the market, we have explained why this 5460 is very important. But in short, we can say that on Friday, you can see this is the price. You can see the date below. On Friday, the market came and tested this 5460, and it came down and closed just below that. And failure to sustain above 5460 pushed the market quite lower to 5400 and 5420 zones. And yesterday, that is on Monday, the price broke this zone and closed higher. And today and yesterday, the market opened around 5450, and this trading session we are continuing that. So that is why we say that 5460 is quite important, and it has the potential to act as quite a major resistance for crude oil. But yesterday the crude market was quite successful in breaking this 5460, and again after breaking this, again the market came down and tested this 5460. You can see very well that the price is following a trend. Whenever the price is following a trend, it will go with the average. And yesterday the market took again a support around 5460, but it was quite successful in staying that. You can see after that also the price went higher, and again it came down and tested this 5460. So it is forming a very good support around 5460, which acted as a resistance before. So on the yesterday's and for the few weeks before, this 5460 was acting as a resistance. Now it is forming a support around 5460. From that, the market, you can see the potential buying potential. You can see the market straight away went ahead and tested 5500 to 5520. This is this zone 5500 and 5520 is our target zone, but it couldn't reach 5520. And after that it came down to a consolidation phase, and it closed around 5460, which is the major resistance and the support zone. So the closing is quite important. Since the price moved from 5000, took the support from 5460, and it reached a high of 5500, but it couldn't sustain that. It again came down to 5460 and closed near 5460. This closing, which should be considered as quite important for us, because since we consider this 5460 as a very major resistance zone, now it should act as a support for buying in crude oil. So when we compare the entire pricing, you can see the price market opened around 5450, and it is quite successful in maintaining a trend in the earlier session. You can see the trend. It was quite successful in maintaining a trend and reached a new high, which is much higher than the previous week. It is a new high compared to the previous week. It is a new high, and then closed around 5460. So today also we are expecting crude to open around 5470. This is the zone where we are expecting crude to open, which is just above the previous day's closing. And we should see that today we have a crude oil inventory report around 8 o'clock. This can give us a very clear price direction how the crude can go. So today we are expecting again buying in crude oil, having this 5420 and 5400 as a major support for crude oil. And if the price is quite successful in maintaining this 5000, if it is staying above 5460, there are a lot of possibilities that the price can reach 5520. But we should always note that if the price is trading below 5460, if the price couldn't sustain, and if price is trading below 5460, So it is quite we should be always cautious about this for trading. If the price is trading between 5460 and if it's trading in this zone, these are quite quite a decision zone. But the price we are expecting is that the market will stay the trend, and it has got crude. We expect the crude oil inventory report to be positive for buying, and it can go and test our targets of 5520, because for a long time crude is sustaining, and it is in consolidation phase between this 5460, and today at least we will get a clear price direction for crude, so it can go higher. That is what we are expecting in crude oil today. And please follow the support and resistance very carefully. These are the basic structures for technical analysis. If you are good in following support and resistance, then you have crossed 70% of the educational tutorials. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Thanks for watching our video, and take care. Bye.